If you think relaxing is lazy, but you're feeling tired all the time, listen up. Your body is begging for a break. Let's talk about why you should give it one. Look, life is busy. There's always another thing on your to-do list, right? But here's the secret: your brain and body need rest, just like your phone needs charging. Ignoring downtime? That's like running on 1% battery all week. Taking even 10 minutes to just breathe, stretch, or listen to music can help melt away stress. You don't have to climb a mountain or meditate for hours. Just sit back, close your eyes, and let your mind wander. Remember, you're a human, not a robot. So go ahead, give yourself permission to chill out today. Your future self will thank you. Now hit pause on life for a sec and just breathe. You totally deserve it.